Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we explore the installed languages feature on the Applaud platform. Applaud supports 40 languages alongside many regional dialects, making internationalization easier on your employee experience platform. Languages include, but are not limited to, Arabic, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, and Dutch. Before you can use other languages on the platform, you must install them. You can do this on the settings page. You can also add any available regional dialects for your installed languages. Please contact your Applaud support representative if you can't find your required language. You can set a user's preferred language based on their work country or language proficiency. This translates different platform elements for that user, including page titles, block titles, form labels, and more. The data for model properties marked translatable will also be translated into the user's preferred language. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.